Will never forget soldiers' sacrifice, says PM Modi. The sacrifices of Indian soldiers killed in a clash with Chinese troops at Galwan Valley in Ladakh will not go in waste, said Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The sacrifices of Indian soldiers killed in a clash with Chinese troops at Galwan Valley in Ladakh will not go in waste, said Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as he chaired a scheduled meeting with state chief ministers on the coronavirus cases. We don't want differences to turn into disputes. We have always displayed our power in protecting the country's integrity and sovereignty, he said. PM Modi also observed 2 minutes silence for the soldiers before starting the meeting. Meanwhile, the talks between major generals of India and China in Galwan Valley in Ladakh, the site of a huge clash on Monday in which 20 soldiers were killed, were inconclusive, army sources said today. The talks have remained inconclusive as there is no immediate disengagement or change in the ground. More talks to take place in the coming days, they added. Earlier in the day, PM Modi had called an all-party meeting on Friday to discuss the situation at the India-China border after clashes in Ladakh in which 20 Indian soldiers laid down their lives. Presidents of various political parties participated in the meeting at 5 p.m. on Friday via video conferencing. 20 Indian soldiers were killed in a violent face-off with Chinese troops in Ladakh, after they tried to unilaterally change the status quo there, the army said in a statement on Tuesday. A colonel and 2 jawans were among the soldiers killed in the face-off at Galwan Valley in Ladakh, the most serious escalation between the two countries along the border in 5 decades. For more news updates, subscribe this channel. Jai Hind.